secret love. I met him accidentally, not knowing that we could turn good friends. I know only by name, until one day I realize that we've been too close. Not a single secret to each other. I never thought that you would be true to me the way you do. Now, I am confused. Who really are you in my life? I am already engaged, and as times goes by feeling strange, I think I'm falling for you. But how can I feel this? Was not supposed to love you, you're too good to be true. I thought I was the only one who feels this way. One day, you got the courage to tell me that you love me dearly. I want to cry about what I heard. It can't be true. You also got a girlfriend then, same with me. I tried not to be fallen for you, because I know I'm just hurting myself. Now, you and your girlfriend broke up, you told me that I am the only one in your heart and mind. But still, I can't love you freely, I still love him. I guess it's not the right time for us. The love we felt was right, but we felt it at a wrong time. I wish though we're not together, this special feeling would remain in our thoughts and our hearts. Just remember that I have loved you dearly as far as I know.